I got to ask you, the story keeps on giving. Do we finally see this finish by this afternoon or hopefully this week? And hopefully what could clinching this deal also mean for Apple?
I think everybody hopes that this deal will finally come to an end. It's been dragging out forever. Toshiba has been negotiating for 8 months to try to get this deal done. In one sense, this should not be a surprise. Toshiba said just last week that its board had agreed to sell the chips business to Bain and this consortium that they've assembled. But since last week, there have been a couple of factors that have raised uncertainties around that. There have been reports that Apple maybe would be switching sides in this bid. Western Digital, also Toshiba's partner, has thrown a lot of uncertainty into the mix by saying that it plans to file for arbitration and to block the bid. But sources are telling us now that Bain and Apple have reached final terms in their part of the agreement, and that paves the way to an announcement soon, possibly as soon as after the market close here in Tokyo this afternoon. That would allow them to proceed with this very, very important transaction for Toshiba. They're trying to raise this money to plug the big hole in their balance sheet because of the nuclear losses in the Westinghouse business.
Peter, who would be the biggest losers here? Is Western Digital likely to oppose?
Well, this is a big challenge for them. They have been very vocal that they believe they have the right to veto any sale of this chips business to anyone, but particularly they're concerned about their competitors. Now, Bain has gone out and brought in 3 competitors, including SK Hynix, the South Korean company that competes in the flash memory business. So Western Digital has been very vocal that they're going to oppose this. After that tentative announcement last week, Western Digital has said that they plan to oppose it in arbitration, and they will seek to block the transaction when it comes up. Now, Toshiba says that it plans to proceed, and Bain is agreeing to terms where they will be allowed to complete the sale, even if the arbitration is still outstanding, even if this legal dispute is still outstanding. So we'll see pretty quickly who is going to be right here.